What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a surge protector. Yes, I am on a surge protector spree, you guys. Now, I don't know if I'm going to put this in the garage. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but let's just say that surge protectors are the best thing ever. For one, you can hook up multiple electronics on it, right? That's for one. And two, you can protect like your electronics just in case of a electrical disaster. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now, this one is pretty cool. It's not a smart one. Even though I showed y'all another one on the channel that wasn't smart, but I bought a Fiat smart switch. So if you want to buy a smart switch, you can buy one of those and then hook this up. And then you can control all of this just by one switch. If you want a smart surge protector, I do have some of those on the channel already. I will go ahead and tag those at the end of the video, or I might put a link in the description. Sometimes I actually forget to put a link of relatable products to the description. So I put related videos at the end of my videos so y'all can see other things that's related to this product. But right here we have this product. This is a 25-foot cord, you guys. I know, insane, right? This is a 3-prong right here, you guys, and it's kind of weird because you can't really twist it, but the way you put it on, if you put it on straight like this, it's like in an angle. So as you see, it's straight, right? So it's kind of weird because the bottom part usually aligns with the wire. So it would have been nice if this would have been like one of those 360 turns like the other extension cords that I reviewed on the channel. So that would have been cool, but I will live with that. Okay, so this comes with, you have your screw template right here. This is probably the most innovative thing that they have ever put in product. This is your template, and here goes your screw holes. So what you do is you put this on the wall, go ahead and put your screws and stuff through. 2 screws, no anchors. I am surprised. But y'all know on this channel we have 50,000 anchors, so not really worried about anchors. And if you want to know, I believe this is adhesive. Yeah, so this is adhesive, all right? So this is a tape. Just make sure when you put it up, just make sure you're leveled. I don't think I'm going to put this one on the wall, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, but I'm going to put this to the side. All right, and here goes your instructions, just in case you need to know all of the good stuff. So it says rated power maximum is 3,250 watts. Yeah, that's what they got right here. So I'm going to post it right there so y'all can see it. All right. Okay, you got one more right here. This is a 14-in-1. This is like your off and on right there. And right here on the top, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 prongs or pins, whatever you want to call it. Some people call it prongs, some people call it pins, and you know, whatever. And then if you look on the side right here, you have the 2-prong hookup right there, and you see there's nothing on the side here, but when you look on this side, you have one more on this side, which is strange. But you know, it is what it is. However they designed the internals, that's probably how the setup is. You have 2 USB type C's and 2 USB A's right here. And from what I see, it looked like everything is in a convenient location. Everything looks spaced out nice and well. You know, some surge protectors, you cannot hook up too many close together. You can't hook up too many devices close together. Sometimes the block may be too big. I know for this, I may not be able to use, you know, my power, not power tools, but the batteries that charge up for the power tools, because some blocks are like super big. So that's why I purchased a real big a real big surge protector for the garage. But this is definitely nice for indoors. If you use it for your garage, then it may be nice for your garage, depending on your use for it. But yeah, I am going to go ahead and hook this up, let y'all see it hooked up, and finalize the review. All right, you guys, so I hooked up the surge protector, and I have to say that I am very happy that it's here, but I think I want to put it in the garage now, since that the cord is definitely 25 foot, and I have some cool projects that I want to do in the garage, and I will need some more electricity. So this may be going in the garage, but for right now, we are going to use it for Miss Beta. I'm going to turn this thing on right now. All right, so that's the filter with that. Yeah, so that is on. I have my extension for my Wi-Fi extension hooked up. I have my light hooked up right here. So the light comes on. I have a phone hooked up to it. And you can hook up a whole bunch of stuff. So the light to this fish tank is hooked up. And the air filter is hooked up. And we have plenty more power that we can hook up to this thing. So yeah, once again, I may be putting this in the garage. But that will be it with this surge protector. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.